Hello, my name is Kimin. I'm a QA engineer in Subsocial team. Today I will present the first report of the development progress of the community-focused features and improvements of Sub.ID, which we are doing thanks to securing funds from the Treasury. On behalf of our team, I want to thank everybody who participated in voting and voted for us. So our proposal consists of 3 batches that are focused on different sets of features, and each of them is approximately 3 months of development. If you want to keep track of our development, there is a link in the description on code.io. All reports have both video and text versions, useful links, proposal, roadmaps, and everything is going to be updated in Coda. A huge part of the first batch is about implementing and establishing fully working staking platform for many various chains in our ecosystem. This is what I'm going to show you today. I want to say a few words about Sub.ID. So Sub.ID launched more than a year ago. Initially, it's a D-app that was designed to provide quick and convenient access to all of your substrate addresses, balances, other assets like NFTs, and everything else in one place. It was built with the Sum ecosystem in mind and tailored to benefit its most active members. Since then, Sub.ID has been connected to over 30 substrate chains and has its own dedicated vision and roadmap. So let's start with a presentation of what we have done. Collator and validator staking. So token holders often support collators and validator with staking to share their risk and rewards of submitting blocks. While there are guides on how to choose one, it is often very difficult to manage and almost impossible to track the actual process. And the hardest thing is to estimate the outcome before you stake. So our goal is to make validator and collator staking as friendly as possible for end users and also maximize staking rewards for all supported chains with relevant palettes. So not only do people need to stake and unstake, but also remember where they did and how much. By making staking easy with our friendly UI and many chains available for staking in one place, we think that many more people will be incentivized to stake on various chains, which is a win-win situation for everybody. So our dashboard is going to be a place where you can view all staked balances as well as a certain chain individually. The first iteration of dashboard provides following information on the chosen network: total user stake, total collators, available balance for staking, and a timer of a round, which is basically a countdown before the next round. Buttons and actions. So main functionality of staking on Sub.ID is pretty simple. It's stake, unstake, and claim. Stake button will always be visible beside each collator validator, while unstake button will be available when user has a stake and meets conditions to unstake. These 2 buttons has basically same flow, and by pressing stake or unstake button, users see a pop-up model where he can. So click on a drop-down list of available signed-in addresses to choose from, and just input an amount of tokens to stake. If it has any, of course, and also meet conditions. For example, in Bifrost, it's a minimal stake of 50 tokens. After users successfully unstake certain amounts, grayed out button of claim appears with a hover tooltip with a timer. After countdown in timer run out, button becomes active and user can collect his tokens with 1 click and just sign any transactions. Besides the main functionality of our proposal that our team is working on, we also do side tasks to make Sub.ID even better. With that said, previous weeks we were working on optimization and reliability of Sub.ID by transitioning on finality nodes. Also, we were gathering feedback from power users to make UI UX experience as smooth as it can be. Here you can see what we are going to work with next weeks. This is pretty much all of progress that we've done. So from now on, we will post reports of our progress, both video and text versions, twice a month to keep you updated on our development. By next report, we will also choose and set up a platform for you guys to propose features or ask questions regarding Sub.ID, so we can be in touch. But even now, you can go to our Discord server and ask, propose, share your positive or negative experience with our platforms and Sub.ID. So please join and see you in 2 weeks. Bye-bye.